Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. As soon as I saw this new open source project called as Ollamadore 64, I knew that it was time for me to redeem myself. The reason why I am saying that is that a few days ago I did a video on this similar tool, I believe from the same creator, which was Ollama Vic 20. That was a simple lightweight front end in JavaScript for Ollama, and I admitted in that video that I was not aware what exactly was Vic 20, and then we checked it with the help of model, and lot of my viewers were very surprised, and justifiably so. But trust me, I know what exactly is Commodore, and I believe this Ollamadore naming convention has come from that Commodore systems, which were quite popular line of home computers developed by Commodore International in 1980s. And I believe the most iconic model was a Commodore 64 or C64, which was released in 1982, and that became the best selling single computer model of all time with over 17 million units sold worldwide. So I'm not going to go into that detail. So we are going to install this Ollamadore 64 here locally, and then we will see how it works. It's very similar, maybe identical or rebranded of that previous tool, but seems quite interesting. So why not, let's try it out. And then it gave me the chance to redeem myself. If you don't know what Ollama is one of the most easiest, fastest, and I would say quite performant tool to run large language models in quantized format, so much so that you can even run them easily on CPU if the size justifies it. I have already done heaps of videos on Ollama, so I'm not going to go there. But if you have never installed it, just go to ollama.com and then click on this download button. For Linux, just run this single command. For Windows and Mac, just download this executable, and then you would do next, and Ollama will get installed. I already have Ollama installed, so I'm not going to go there. But one thing which you must do here is to make sure that you start serving Ollama on your local system so that you could access it through this Ollamadore tool. Now, coming back to this Ollamadore tool, not only it is quite lightweight, it is private, and it has got a very low footprint, which you can easily use on your systems. And the purpose, as per their repo, is to give users a no install frontend that lets conversation be saved easily as a markdown document with one click. And the creator believes that the existing tools are too bloated, they were not private, and conversations being stored, and then it was quite hard to manage your chats and that sort of stuff. And that is where this tool is trying to help out. So let's try to get it installed, and then we will see how it works. Before that, let me also give a huge shout out to Master Compute, who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, you can find the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on a range of GPUs, so do check them out. This is my VM where I'm running Ubuntu 22.04, and this is my GPU card, NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. Okay, so let's try to get it installed. I'm in Ollamadore 64. So first up, I'm just going to git clone its repo. There you go. And I will also drop the link to it in video's description. Second step is to serve our Ollama. So all you need to do is to allow all the origin so that we can access it from anywhere. And then I am serving this Ollama on my local system. So this is going to start it on our local host at default port 11434. So let me run it. And you can see that Ollama is service running. It has detected my GPU and my CUDA driver there. It is not mandatory thing. You can run it on CPU if you are going to go with a smallish model. Okay, so I will just keep this window open, and from there I'm just going to open another window because we also need to get a model. I'm just going to deactivate it from here. Let's clear it. Now, in order to get a model, all you need to do is to just go back to the website of Ollama, and from here you can just download any model of your choice. So I just want to, maybe I will go with this Llama 3.2 just to make things quicker. Let's grab this command Ollama run 3.2, and then I'm going to run it in this window. So this command is going to download the model and then run it, and it is so quick that it already has done it. So I'm just going to exit from here because we don't want to run it here, and do Ollama list. You see that my Ollama version is there, and by the way, I think my Ollama model was already there. Otherwise, it just downloads it and then verifies the checksum and show you the output. Anyway, so we are good there. Our Ollama server is running, our Ollama model is downloaded, and now it's time to run our Ollamadore 64. Running this software is fairly easy. All you need to do is to just go where you have git clone that repo, this one, and then from here just open this index.html in your browser. There you go. So Ollamadore 64 is running, and this is so retro. And if the people who have used Commodore C64, I'm sure they know what is happening here. Now from here, from the top right, you can select the model, your LLM, and then you can start chatting with it. Before I start chatting, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are Camel AI. Camel is an open source community focused on building multi-agent infrastructure for finding the scaling laws of agents with applications in data generation, task automation, and world simulation. And I will drop the link to their website in video's description, so please do check them out. So there you go. So let me chat with it. I'm going to ask it, hi, what is happiness? There you go. How quick, how fast, and especially how retro. And then you can just click on this save button to simply save your chat in a markdown format on your local system. That is how easy that is. Another nifty feature, which is not that I would say huge, but still nifty, is that you can simply paste a URL of a web page and it is going to summarize it. But it has to be a static page, so there is not much utility there, but still there is a feature. So I just showed you there. And by the way, the page which I just put it in, this was the first ever page created by Tim Berners-Lee, I believe in Switzerland, who primarily created the World Wide Web. So this is what this tool is. You can just use it as a very low, a lightweight, very low footprint tool in order to talk with Ollama based models, and you can get any model of your choice from Ollama. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.